Texoma. Many across Texoma are still struggling while battling the pandemic, including those in the Native American tribes. PJ Green spoke with members of the Kiowa and Comanche tribes about how they have been doing throughout the pandemic.
Members of the Kiowa tribe and the Comanche Nation have been residing in Texoma for many years. Throughout history, both tribes have persevered through many obstacles to still have thousands of members to date. But COVID-19 has presented a challenge that some tribal members are fearful of.
Everybody is well aware of the social distancing. We've had 125 deaths since March 1. Probably at least half or more are probably COVID related.
Comanche Nation member Ron Parker says he and his family are doing the best they can during the pandemic.
Personally, have got my sisters who come down with it. Within my immediate family, my daughter's been tested positive, but she's okay now. Everybody in my household are doing well.
According to Indian Health Services, the Oklahoma City region leads all of Indian country in positive cases. But both members say IHS and COVID CARES Act funds have helped the community tremendously.
The tribal has really done a good job with providing CARES Act funds and stuff. The hospital does a good job with providing services for people to come in. So I'm happy with both of them and what they do.
We got almost $23 million. Yeah, we've spent over $12 million directly, almost $13 million directly to the tribal members. It might be in the way of sanitation, it might be just in the way of helping them with bills.
As vaccines begin to circulate to members of both tribes, they see it as a positive sign for a bright future ahead.
We're really hoping this vaccine will kind of take things and put things into a level so that we can deal with this a lot easier.
I'm looking forward to it. I appreciate the hospital. They're starting to do this. We've already had some vaccinations, and they'll be starting to do more and more.
Moving forward, Native American tribes look to keep protecting their own during the pandemic.
For more information on both tribes, find this story over on our website. And